boiling point, temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure, called boiling point. Temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure, called boiling point. When solute is added in solvent, then vapor pressure is decreased. To maintain the vapor pressure, more and more heat is necessary. In this attempt, when solute is added in the solvent, vapor pressure is decreased. To maintain the vapor pressure at its initial value, we have to supply energy from outside in the form of heat, that is raise in temperature. The boiling point of solution, that is mixture, is always more than that of the boiling point of pure solvent. The difference between boiling point of solution and solvent is known as elevation in boiling point. Temperature
ये
कल बताइएगा।
at
टाइम
which
नहीं मिलेगा।
निकालना पड़ेगा क्या लास्ट लेट
vapor pressure of liquid become equal to the atmospheric pressure, called boiling point. When solute is added in solvent, vapor pressure of mixture, that is solution, is decreased. And boiling point of solution is more than solvent. Difference between boiling point dP of solution and solvent is known as boiling point elevation or elevation in boiling point. Boiling point, that is ebullioscopy. From experimental observations, it has been seen that change in temperature, that is change in boiling point, is proportional to the molarity of solution. Change in boiling point, that is delta Tb. Delta means difference, T means temperature, B means boiling point. The delta Tb is proportional to molarity of the solution. Molarity is small a. To remove the proportionality, we use proportionality constant. So delta Tb is equal to Kb into molarity. Here Kb is proportionality constant known as boiling point elevation constant. Now we will write the formula of molarity. Kb into molarity means mole of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Further, Kb is equal to mole means mass of solute upon its molar mass. Mass of solute upon molar mass whole upon mass of solvent in kg. Thus Kb is equal to mass of solute small w upon molar mass of solute small m whole upon mass of solvent, that is capital W, and upon 1000. It is for conversion of W into kg. Thus, we will get delta Tb is equal to Kb into small w into 1000 upon m into capital W. For this, especially we count the molar mass of solute. In the term of molar mass, in the term of m, this expression may be written as molar mass m is equal to 1000 kb small w upon delta TB into capital W. If solute is dissolved in 100 gram solvent, if solute is dissolved in 100 gram solvent, then this will be termed as molar mass m is equal to 100 kb small w upon delta TB into capital W. Now about the freezing point, temperature at which any liquid is converted into solid. Liquid phase is converted into solid phase called freezing point. At equilibrium, when 50% liquid is solidified and 50% remains in its original state, that is in liquid state, then at equilibrium vapor pressure of both solid phase and liquid phase are same. So when solute, that is impurity, is added in the solvent from outside, freezing point lowers, freezing point decreases. The difference in freezing point of solution and pure solvent is known as depression, that is lowering in freezing point. As you know, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. When salt or sugar or urea, any solute are dissolved in the water, then freezing point of water will be not at the 0 degrees Celsius. Ice will not operate at 0 degrees Celsius if some impurity, that is appropriate solute, is added in the water in solvent. So when solute is added in the solvent, then its freezing point decreases, freezing point lowers. The change in the freezing point of solution as well as pure solvent is regarded as lowering or depression in freezing point. Sense is same as beginning. Same sense is adapted for this, just like the elevation in boiling point. Formula is similar for both. For freezing, we use subscript F for freezing, and for boiling, we use the subscript B. The only representation of subscript is changed. Otherwise, formula for both conditions is similar, either in boiling or in the case of freezing. Freezing point. Temperature at which liquid is converted into solid phase. Called freezing point. When solute is added in solvent, freezing point decreases. Change or difference in freezing point of solvent and solution called lowering or depression in freezing point. That is cryoscopic. Cryoscopy. From experimental observation, it has been seen that difference in freezing point is directly proportional to the molarity of the solution. The delta TF, delta means difference, T means temperature, or F means freezing point, proportional to molarity. Delta TF is equal to Kf into molarity. Here Kf is proportionality constant known as freezing point depression constant. So here Kf is of the two types. Its value is different in both the cases. We may dissolve our solute either in 100 gram solvent or in 1000 gram solvent. In case of 1000 gram solvent, it will be specially referred as molarity. Delta TF is equal to Kf, formula of molarity, mole of solute upon weight of solvent in kg. Kf on extension mole. Mole means a ratio of mass and molar mass. The mass of solute upon molar mass of solute whole upon mass or weight of solvent in kg. Further we will get Kf mass of solute small w molar mass of solute small m whole apart. Weight of or mass of solvent may be taken as capital W. The formularity weight of solvent should be in kg. So when capital W is divided by 1000, then weight of solvent will be converted into kg. Kf into small w into 1000 upon small w weight of or mass of solute, small m molar mass of solute and capital W weight of solvent. On rearranging, we have to show this for the molar mass. The molar mass m will be at the place of delta Tf and delta Tf will be transferred at the place of m. The molar mass of solute, this may be rearranged at 1000 into Kf into small w upon delta Tf into capital W. Molar mass of solute 1000 into Kf small w upon delta Tf into capital W. If 100 gram solvent is taken instead of 1000 gram, then it will be as m is equal to 100 Kf small w upon delta Tf into capital W.